Hey guys, I have bought another accessories for my car, and this is a must have in your car. This is a puncture maker, tubeless tire puncture maker. I bought it for 500 rupees. Amicart Smart Choice to shop online. This is a very nice company. It had very good review, and the pouch they have provided is also very good. They have also provided Velcro so that when it is in your trunk it doesn't slip around. Now what they have provided, let me just get these things out. These are the tire knobs. This is the one to plug into the tire. This is the one where you stick this and insert this tube, and also one plier sort of thing to pull the nail out. This is a rubber solution. They provided two of these, and I don't know what is this. So these are the things they have provided for 500 rupees, and this is very nice. The best thing is this: they have provided a pouch in which you can keep these things and put it in your trunk and forget about it. Whenever you are in an emergency situation, you just put this out and help yourself. So you should always be prepared with these kits while traveling for a longer distance. So I'll be placing them in my car. So I'll be placing a link in the description below if you want to buy these things. This is a very cheap solution for tubeless tire puncture maker. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. It was the unboxing of the puncture kit of tubeless tire.